All right, back we go, doing some more of these videos. The market has been closed. S&P was up 18. Dow Jones battled, plus 27, plus 69. NASDAQ. DSX, I haven't done this in a while. Shipping's been hot. SHIP, CTRM, DSX. I think, what's the other one? NAT, maybe? Yeah, the big thing you see in this chart on DSX is from November. This thing was at a 4. And look at it drop all the way to March with the coronavirus. Then we bounced. So here's a big line here. 2 line. Right here, the 2 line. I'm trying to get it over here. 2 line. And then right here, your 125 line. Now this is longer term right here. So it came here, March. Look at this. Bounced the 2, bounced again. Look at that wick. So that was a nice double bottom. Then it came, it floated, just did nothing. Then, like the rest of the stocks. From July, August, September, October, penny stocks, these stocks, they weren't doing a lot. Some of them individually, but look how this went out in November. Like everything else, right here, 152. Look at this, bounce down, bounce down. Today just exploded. 5.8 million. This thing was a killer. Next week, could this come back here and test 275, 250, maybe? See the lows, keep getting higher. So that's possible. Watch for that. You're looking right here at this 4 line. This 4 line is very big on this stock. See right here, this 4 line. Is it right on line? Trying to get it right on here. So if we get over 4, that's big. That's a big test of 4. Then you have 450, you read at 5, and then maybe 6 plus on this. Because it chopped around 2017, bounced, 18 little bounce, and 19 little bounce. So this is a big move here. Channel play. Now we're going up. And, off we go in this. Now it's the biggest volume ever. Is this going to continue Monday? Just go up with a big candle? I don't know. It might be a pullback. It depends on the market. It's very tough holding these. I wouldn't say just hold it after this run. So you got to be extremely careful. All right, 65 million float, 267 million market cap, DSX. Intrinsic value potentially 68% above its share price. That was on Simply Wall Street. So, big potential this to keep going and break that 4 at least. It's running very, very hard here, so you have to be very careful. CIDM. $89 million float, 265 million market cap. They do, I think they do cinema. They do independent movie, television, short form content, United States, Canada, New Zealand. We talked about this one. Look at this long channel from 2016 back and forth, 2019, 2020. Look at June, big move up, and this touched right at 6 and came back down. Any water, excuse me. Touch this 6 line. Oh, excuse me, touch the 50-cent line. See this? And then this started to grind up too. Look at the volume increasing. Nice dip, 75 cents. Nice dip, 125. Another dip today. Now, this could go to 150. That's fine. Doesn't mean the move's over. But it's challenging right now. This big line at 2. This has had a history of trouble at 2. So if we can get through that, that's major strength. And then if we do, I see 250. Well, 250 anywhere to 450. Maybe this range here. So look at this here. Dip, another dip. Sort of dipping now. Cup and handle too. Look at this cup. You could say that was the handle here. Went up again. So this is tremendous opportunity to go into the zone here on CIDM. IBIO. 181 million float, higher float, 552 million market cap, 7 stocks under $10 to buy. That was Investors Place last month. Biotech, manufacturing services, third party customers, United States. This had to move up too. This was the big pyramid right up here. July, this thing squeezed, came all the way back. Look, touch that one line. That one line is great support in Pennyland. Then we come up, test 2, and then we're sort of like fading back here. We'll just go back to 2. That's fine. If it touches a 2, that'll be great support. You don't want it to go below 2, really. I mean, it could, but you want it to hold 2. And then you want this to start after 2, grind up the 3. And then 3 to 4 level would be very strong on this stock. And maybe you get up there. Who knows what news. So they released second quarter financial results. That was on Tuesday. And it was up 8% then. Stochastics tour had this grindy pattern. See this here? So it's kind of weird. It's sort of grinding back and forth. I don't like it. The move on that. It's trying to stay up high. 4 hours looking better. It's looking for a little dip there. So we'll see on this one too. A lot of potential here. It's just a matter what are they going to do. Are they dips? Are they going to go back down? The market's still strong. The market's hanging in here. Let me look at the market. SPY. A SPY. This thing's crazy. Look how high this is from the low. It's very scary at this point. I wouldn't want to be long. I mean, they could pull the rug on this at any time. Everyone's so euphoric. Everything's great. Like everything else. Then coronavirus hit. We've seen this before. This is extremely. It's one of the pattern too. See, if it was going like this, slowly grinding up. See this, but look how straight up it is. Just like this. Just like this. And then you got the punch in the face. So I think this can come back just like that, right to that 330 level. That'd be a huge drop. I don't know, like this, maybe. If you put a drop like this all the way to here, that'll bring it to like 290. I don't know. There will be a drop at some point. There always is. There always will be. It's riding up very high now from November. This November was 330 to 390 at this point. All right. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Appreciate the support. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And YouTube. All right, that's it. Leave comments. Any information is good. I'm going over a lot of stocks. I don't trade all these stocks. No one does. This is more of stock picking, giving buy sell levels, giving information. A lot of people are not. They're not really getting over these stocks. All they're doing is providing a service. I'm looking at all these traders, and they want your money, and basically, join their service. So I might do a service in the future, and it won't be $120, $100 like some of these guys. They're pretty much ripping you off. All this information is out there. They can't trade all these stocks either. You know what I mean? So it's pretty insane. But I have all the information on these penny stocks, technical analysis. I've been doing this since 2006. So, all right, that's it. Peace.